Hi, the first thing we want to do is create a home program. Your robot may be in an awkward position, maybe it's still in the shipping position after you bolted it down, and we want to be able to drive that robot home. To do that, we hit the blue circle at the bottom of the software. Under part name, we're going to put in home. We go next. And here, we're just going to put in some generic parameters. It doesn't matter because we're not welding with this program. And so we come to this screen. We're going to go through this screen in more detail a bit later. But right now what I want you to do is down here under your add items, there is this, it looks like a little clipboard. I want you to select that. And that brings up a number of options that you can put in. One of which is insert move to home, and simply hit add. And now your home position has been added into your program. Hit save, and there's your home program. So we can back out of this, and what we need to do is assign this program to the play button on your operator box behind me. To do that, we simply say home, and we add it to playlist. And that automatically, if we select playlist up at the top, that automatically adds that program into the playlist. We'll go back to parts here. And so now if I hit the play button, the robot is going to drive home. All right, let's move on to exercise 1.